Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bees, and today I wanted to talk about a couple scenarios where you can save your hives. One where we took a swarm and introduced it into a queenless hive, and then another one where we saved a nuke that didn't have a queen. We just introduced some fresh eggs. So we'll check on these hives after we've already made our splits and after we did what we did, so we can see if it worked. So here's some past clips that we're watching right now of about 3 weeks ago. So let's get back into the hive and check it out.
We actually put a nuke into this hive, and I wanted to just double check because we introduced a queen after a couple days of being queenless. I'd like to check the status and see if we have a queen. He was a little bit lighter. I'm looking down at a baby. We have a queen. We have fresh eggs. A lot of new bees. And it's all worker brood. Got bees going down on my boots, so gotta take my boots off. So it's just nice to know that you don't always have to go through the trouble of putting down the paper. So basically, we sold a nuke out of this. We caught a swarm. We put the swarm in because it had been a couple days, because, you know, they had a couple days to realize they need a queen. They'll be less likely to ball and attack a queen. They know they need something. I'm just looking these frames over because there was a lot of ants. And right now it's just, there's been so much rain and so much growth in the garden. Look at all these ants, oh my goodness. There's a little bit of honey on this frame, that's why. All right, I think I got them all. Yeah, there was a little bit of honey on that and it was drawing in the ants. Man, I got them all over me. You're supposed to be able to have an entrance, and the entrance is underneath this. So I'm just gonna have to adjust this inner cover a little bit. There we go. And now they can use the inner cover. Or now they can use the top entrance. So how do we save this hive? This hive has about 3 to 4 frames of bees in here, but it doesn't have any eggs, no drawn out foundation, but it has honey and pollen, that's it. And it's gonna fail. It's gonna fail soon. Maybe one of the workers are gonna start to lay, and it'll just be a bunch of drone brood. You don't want that. So you simply just have to go into a hive that's queen right and find some eggs. So that's what we're gonna do. So where's my hive tool? Honey on an old frame. Okay, more honey on frames. Pollen frame. More honey. I was gonna say, I doubt my smoker's smoking anymore. Really muggy today. It's 90. I wish it was colder so I could wear my jacket and move a little faster, but that's okay. I'd rather wear my veil even if it costs me a sting or two. At least I can keep working. Last time we checked this nuke, it didn't have a queen. and it was a swarm that we put in this nuke box. So let's see where they're. Well, we got brood right there, so we know it's queen right. Pretty darn good. Brood all the way out, so that means we got a good queen. And you know what we'll do? We'll go find a box for these guys. We'll put it right here. So the bees are coming and going right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move fast. We're gonna immediately put down a bottom and a box so the bees can start coming in. And we'll temporarily put this right here. Okay. I want to move fast, but I also don't want to roll the bees and hurt the queen. Working right along. As long as I don't go ticking off the bees, they should be nice and sweet. This is a darker frame that I'd like to change out. Usually you can see the queen moving around. Oh, she must be on the last frame. Wherever she is, she's doing a great job. Often you can look down here and see the queen moving along the brood frame. I'm looking for, plus it lets the bees remain in the hive while you look. But I don't see her. She's not. You got a sneaky queen. Wow, look at that. That's really going to give them a good chance. You're going to fill it right out. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good for now. We'll come back in a week or two and we'll check on this and then we'll add another box. We don't need that yet. We don't need that yet. Probably should drop this. Inner cover.